Guys, welcome muna sa ating channel and panibagong video na naman po tayo guys. And for this trip is pupunta tayo ng Bangkok, Thailand. So 11 tayo for this trip. But yung isa is nauna na sa November, tapos yung 9 is iba yung flight nila, PAL sila, tapos iba din yung flight. So yung flight ko guys is will be Scoot. Magpo-connecting tayo in Singapore going to Bangkok. Diyan yung country natin. Hindi pa siya nag-open yet kasi ang agad na nakalagay. Guys, tapos na tayo nag-check-in. Tapos na tayo nag-check-in guys. So medyo strict yung Scoot when it comes to baggage. So tinimbang yung bag natin guys. Tsaka strict lang sila sa one piece na carry-on at tsaka one personal bag. So ayan, so ito na yung boarding pass natin. Then dito sa Davao kasi guys, kasi direct flight tayo. Sa Davao kasi hindi sinasala yung terminal fee sa ticket. So kaya from here is magpo-purchase pa tayo ng terminal fee which is 750 pesos. So nasa lounge na tayo ng bags dito sa Davao International Airport. So yung flight natin will be at Scoot. Direct flight siya guys from Davao to Singapore. So we still have time to kill kasi 5:45 pa yung boarding time and it's still 4 AM. Ito yung lounge na guys na bags dito sa International. Yan yung entrance. Tapos ito lang yung shares. Kanina pala guys, pagpasok ko sa immigration dito sa Davao, kasi dito yung exit natin sa Pinas, yung tinanong sa akin is saan daw ako nagwo-work if I am still connected in the government. So I said yes. And then, hinanap na yung ATT natin. So, after that is, tinatakan na. Ay, nagtanong din pala kung kailan yung balik natin. So, sabi ko, May 29, no? Kasi 5 days lang tayo doon sa Bangkok. And since meron tayong cruise flyer na miles, ginamit ko yung miles ko sa pag-book ng flight natin from Davao to Scoot, ay Davao to Bangkok with layover in Singapore. So yung na-consume ko na miles is 8,500 lang. Tapos yung nabayaran ko na tax is just 750 pesos. No? So for 750 pesos guys, makakapunta na tayo ng Bangkok. This is my second time flying with Scoot guys. The first time that we flew on Scoot is yung Bangkok to Singapore natin during sa ating Indochina leg. Just landed in Singapore. My God, I miss Changi. Ganda pa rin ang Changi even after na. Before tayo mag-proceed sa gate, kahit may gates pa tayo, proceed naman tayo sa SATS Premium Lounge. Ang port nila guys is just like the same in the USA. Paglabas mo sa gate is, ano na din siya, boarding gate na din papasok na yan. So, going to the SATS guys, you still have to go straight first. Yun na guys, yung ating lounge, SATS. Diyan tayo sa SATS. So we're here now at SATS Premium Lounge. So may access tayo because of our JCB Platinum. This is the area guys. Ganda ng sapa nila. And dito naman is Starbucks. Naman is research station and salad. We're out on the lounge guys. Is boarding na tayo. Muntik na tayong malate. That's alright. Touchdown, Bangkok. Ay, finally guys, for the second time around, we have finally reached again Bangkok. So right here is kasi tayo sa immigration and then yung plano natin is punta tayo ng since sapat na lang yung ating accommodation, magti-train tayo going there. Kasi accessible yung ating hotel via train. Upon exiting sa plane, meron na kayo makikita na nagbebenta na ng mga scene dito. For me, parang gone is those days guys na nag-physical scene pa tayo. No, lahat na is easy because convenient siya. When you land, automatically makakakonect ka lang sa internet. So mahaba-habang lakaran pa ito guys, going to the arrival. So sila Cristel, Sampo, is they are now already on our way to the Malaysia. vacation. Mag-train sila guys. So might probably be mag-train din tayo. First thing first guys, prior to arrival here sa Thailand is dapat nakapagsagot na kayo sa kanilang TDAC, yung Thailand Digital Arrival Card, para smooth. Mandatory yan siya guys, so hindi mo siya dapat kaligtaan. Madali lang naman siya, kailangan i-declare mo lang lahat doon. Ayan, so we are officially out. So we are now officially in Thailand, Bangkok. So guys, ang hinanap sa atin dito sa immigration is passport, boarding pass, sa yung TDAC. Though yung TDAC hindi na siya hinanap, yung physical, yung copy ko ng aking TDAC. Pero nakalink na kasi yan siya sa ating passport, kaya carry bells. So yung mga balita-balita guys, na naghahanap ko sila ng 20,000 baht na show money. In my case, hindi naman tayo hinanapan. Tsaka yung mga kasama natin guys na 10, hindi din sila hinanapan ng show money. So parang case-to-case basis lang yata yun siya ng mga circumstances. Wait, nasa labas na tayo guys ang arrival. Sikip ang arrival nila. Yan, so first thing first is mag-withdraw tayo ng money. So sabi nila Krista, dito sila nag-withdraw sa my green na bank. Okay, so yung gagamitin natin is C-Bank na guys. Just insert our card. Okay, so mag-withdraw tayo ng PIN. So meron silang charge na 350 baht guys. Oh my god, so accept natin. Wala tayo ibang choice. Okay. So, savings. Ayan. So, makuha na natin yung cash. 4,500 yung nabigyan na baht. And this, our
Please
card.
take your card. Thank you.
Okay. Yung nag-deduct sa atin guys sa C-Bank is 9,233 pesos for 4,500 na the baht. Next agenda guys is punta tayo ng railroad link. Yung railroad link ay nasa baba. Nasa B floor. So sige, mababa tayo. Pupunta ng city. Andito na yung express line nila sa basement part pa talaga guys. Pinakababa. Dito pag-train tayo kasi medyo traffic kasi pag magta-taxi or mag-grab. Nandito na yung ticket area guys. Pero merong booth dito na nag-accept ng credit card. So dito tayo sasakay. Papasok. Para easy access na tayo guys. Ayan. And accept yung ating credit card guys. So gamit ko is Metrobank Travel Visa Signature. So i-accept siya. So ngayon magta-train tayo dito sa Suvarnabhumi Station. Nandito tayo sa Suvarnabhumi Station. Dito A1. Tapos merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other 6 station. Diyan tayo bababa sa Ratcha Prapa kasi malapit na dyan yung Pratunan. Guys, we are now here at the Ratcha Prapa. So sabi sa Google Map is let's just follow the signage down na exit. So from the exit guys sa Ratcha Prapa Station, so nag-follow lang tayo sa Google Maps. Yung mga may signage guys na walkway, yun yung i-follow ninyo na route. Ito yung construction guys na ginagawa dito ngayon sa Prato na. Yan. Yan yung nagdudulot o nakakos ng traffic during rush hour. So lakarin lang natin yan siya guys. Straight lang siya for 10 minutes. We have arrived at our accommodation. Yes, our homestay is at An Homestay, guys. Yung nabayaran namin dito is 3,890 per head. That is good for 4 nights na. Tapos, 4 na rooms lahat yung nakuha ko. Sige, kapakita ko sa inyo yung rooms namin dito, guys, ha. So, lahat ng rooms na nakuha ko is dalawa yung bed, isang single bed, at saka isang double bed. Tapos, meron silang television. They actually have complimentary water, 3. Ayan. Then, may isang malaking ref. Guys, ang daming compartment dito. Yan, ang good for hanger up sa ating mga gamit. Dito talaga, ang dami dito guys. And of course, meron tayong bidet. And that is a hot and cold shower. So this is not bad. Not bad guys, considering the price is only 308.90 per person for 4 nights na. Wala nga lang siyang breakfast. Pero okay na, marami naman kainan sa labas. Kasi within the Pratunam area lang ito ng accommodation. So kahapon pala guys, when we arrived here in Bangkok, is hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi we are so much tired. Pero ang nangyari kahapon, after that we have arrived guys, is nag-rest muna kami sandali. Tapos lumabas kami somewhere here in the Platinum. Platinum. Kasi malapit lang, within Platinum lang kasi yung ating accommodation. So naglibot-libot na kami konti. So ngayon is our official day 1 here. Kahapon kasi dumating kasi kami hapon na. So parang nakakonsider namin as day 0 yon. So the day is our first full day here in Bangkok. And ang aming agenda for today guys is magte-temple visit kami. Bangkok will not be Bangkok without trying the temple visit dito sa area nila. So yung ating pupuntahan is yung 3 major temples here in Bangkok. The Wat Arun, the Grand Palace, at saka yung Wat Po. This is our front of our accommodation. Maliit lang siya. Hey, dito tagi. Sa asa lagi. Yan, dito tayo lalabas. May dalawang malapit na 7-Eleven sa aming accommodation. So, since walang free breakfast yung accommodation, magbe-breakfast tayo there. Guys, from our accommodation, nilakad lang namin yung train station dito. Papunta tayo ng Grand Palace. Grand Palace yung ating first agenda. Dito na tayo sa station. Sa may Victory Monument Station. Abort mission ang train. So mag-grab na lang dyan. So what the crap? So guys, medyo complicated sa train kasi ang dami pang stop. So we decided na lang na mag-grab. We have arrived at the Grand Palace guys. Pero nag-figure out pa natin kung paano tayo kakapasok sa loob. Nasa gate 4 daw kasi sila Cristel. Guys, we are now inside the Grand Palace. Last punta natin dito, we haven't visited the palace kasi it was closed. So right now is papasok na tayo. 500 baht yung entrance dito guys. Yan. Grabe ang init guys. Super duper init talaga here. Ayan. 500 baht siya guys. Pwede card or cash yung babayaran nyo. Guys, sobrang init ay super duper. Pumasok kami dyan. Sa loob is parang may prayer room siya. So bawal ang photo sa loob guys. Grabe ang init dito guys, no? So medyo naninibago tayo sa ating mga experiences kasi lately is tayo sa mga malalamig na lugar. Karon kauban nato si Jo Marie atong bagong salta sa atong mga lakaw-lakaw. Yeah, medyo gi-push yang self na makaato ani nga lakaw. Oo, as in.
Push or pull?
Yeah, Jo Marie, kamusta man ang atong experience so far?
So far, so good. Init kaayo ay.
Grabe ka
So always
init,
bring your
no?
umbrella.
Yes, of course. So next spot natin guys is sa Wat Po. So, Wat Po. Ito yung famous na may reclining Buddha. So, hihiga tayo mamaya. We're out from the Grand Palace, guys. So, our next stop is yung Wat Po. Nasa likod lang siya, guys, ng entrance ng gate 4 ng Grand Palace. So, we'll just have to walk going to the Wat Po, guys. So, take note when walking. It's very mainit masyado. So, you bring umbrella.
Hi, and
Okay.
we're back.
After with the Grand Palace, guys, is nag-lunch kami here in just here somewhere in the Wat Po area. So the gang decided not to enter the reclining Buddha guys kasi nakikita naman daw nila ako. So we'll head immediately to Wat Arun kasi malapit lang yung Wat Arun dito guys. Sasakay lang tayo ng boat, 5 baht lang yung bayad. Tapos doon na tayo mag-spend ng longer hours since plan ng mga group is magrenta ng school uniform or traditional dress.
Yeah.
Yan guys, so dito tayo sasakay sa may ferry na Wat Arun. Hanapin nyo yung ferry to Wat Arun ha, kasi dalawa yung ferry dito. Terminal. And andyan na yung sa harap yung Wat Arun guys. Ayan. Oh. And the Chao Phraya River. Oh. So we're heading na to the Wat Arun guys. 6 baht na pala yung fare from 5 baht before. Okay. We're here. Go na, Tet! So, dito na tayo sa Wat Arun. Guys, paglabas namin kanina dyan sa may boat, dito lang sa may gilid, merong nag-offer dito sa inyo ng rental ng costume. Of course, this will be part of the bucket list. So dito guys, marami nag-offer ng rental for Thai traditional costume. If may magkasya sa atin, bilhin natin. Bilhin, Jo? Ayan, oh.
Palit na lang ako nag-skincare on niya.
Ha?
Hindi ko mag-hello.
Kaya palitan ako ng skincare.
Palit na lang ako
Hello,
nag-skincare.
big size.
Yeah, will that fit on me?
You can cover.
Aha, okay. Ayan guys. So dito, 150 yung rental. Wala, pwede pa kasama yung makeup ha. If kasama yung makeup, around 250 baht to. Oh. Naka-outfit na mi guys for 200 baht. Are set. Buto na lang at may nagkasya. Perfect. So we'll head now to water room for the pictorial. Ang init! 200 baht yung entrance dito guys. So much expenses today. Kaya pangkainit guys. Uy! My gosh, isipin na lang natin nasa Kazakhstan tayo.
All the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Pretty girls walk like this, this, this.
So we're done with Wataron guys. It's very hot and humid. So I guess pag-head back muna kami sa accommodation, photo-fashion up. Tapos lalabas tayo ulit mamayang hapon. Punta tayo ng Icon Siam. Kayo na pala guys, after namin nag-Wataron so bumalik kami ng hotel at nag-rest muna sandali. So right now, isaalis na naman tayo at pupunta tayo ng Icon Siam, no? So, of course, Thailand will not be Thailand because if not going there. First time pa napunta guys, dito sa Thailand, dito tayo nakapunta ng Icon Siam. So right now, is pupunta tayo doon. Let's check, libutin natin yung Icon Siam Paragon. And let's see kung may mabibili tayo. Grabe guys, ang lala ng traffic dito sa Bangkok. So we have arrived at Icon Siam. Dito kami bumaba sa may gate 5 nila for Grab pickup. Wow, very gold. So, first business natin is kakain tayo guys. Uy, food naman agad. Here sa parang night market ng Siam Paragon. Sa Icon Siam. Daming benta. Daming stores dito guys. Oh, price tag agad na bumungad. Oh my God. Babayad ka pa ng 500, kakain ka pa ng centipede. Diyos ko Lord. Guys, inihaw na buhaya. Sana ganito yung nagagawin sa mga buhaya sa Pinas na nangungurakot. Yan guys, so this is the flagship store of On here in Bangkok. So, papasok na naman po tayo sa On store ng Thailand. Yung pricing nila. This one is 6.2. So, mostly times 2 para sa convert sa peso. 6.2 din ito ganito. Ito Cloud Monster 3. Oh my God, 7.9. Yeah, so medyo pricey siya guys. O, katala sa paan. So, Jakarta. Sa ubos ang kababae, sa ibabaw sa taas, malalaki. Here is 7.9. Yung ganito. Oh my gosh, sa ubos sa babae, besh. So, lalaki na sa babaw. 7.5. 15,000. Waterproof, 7.5 din. 7.9. 6.2 lang ito guys, so yung ganito. Sana sa mga 12 to 13,000. Yan, so medyo pricey yung On dito sa Thailand guys. Compared to Jakarta, Indonesia. Sa Jakarta kasi may makikita na tayo na around 8,000 to 9,000. Dito sa Bangkok, parang 13K yung nakikita ko pinakamura. However, maraming mga good designs dito sa Bangkok compared sa Jakarta. Guys, we are here now sa may river park nila. Ooh. Skyscraper in Bangkok with the lights on. And ooh, that's it. Icon Siam. Yeah. Mas maganda yung view dito guys pag nasa river. Of course, makikita natin yung view pag mag-river cruise tayo on Wednesday. So ngayon guys is half of us uuwi na ng accommodation, but for us, pupunta pa tayo ng Jad Fairs Night Market. The night market will close at 1 a.m. So, doon tayong magkakain-kain at everything. So, instead na mag-job fairs tayo guys is we decided to go in Kausan na lang. Kasi mas malapit sa ating accommodation. No? Ayan. So, dito tayo sa may pinakadulo yata na exit binaba ng ating guide. So, known yung Kausan Road for a night out happenings at saka mga foods dito guys. So, para siyang Yongdong in South Korea. Old quarter in Hanoi. And everything. So, maraming mga food dito na mabibili. Ang lively ng area dito guys. Ayan, may crocodile na naman oh. Na niluluto. Crocodile barbecue. Guys, ang lively dito. My God, Kausan, I missed you. Naamoy ko na yung food here. So we're back at our accommodation. So after natin na Kausan kanina guys is we are now back at our hotel in An Homestay. So I think this wraps up our first part of our Thailand vlog. And tomorrow is our second full day here in Bangkok, and most likely mag-day trip tayo going to Pattaya. So see you in our next part of our Thailand trip. Bye!